Okay, so we're talking about the Emerald Edition Carvex jigsaw, the barrel grip version. It comes with this blue sustainer. Of course, the barrel grip jigsaw Carvex, it comes with the plug-it cord, but most importantly, it comes with this value-added 25-piece jigsaw blade set. So let's talk about the blades that it comes with in that kit. You're going to notice right here that all of these have some tinge of yellow to them. That means they're all for wood. This here is your general purpose blade for wood. This here's your Carvex. This is my go-to blade. It's a little bit thicker, so it stays really stout in that curve when you're cutting, so you're going to get a great perpendicular cut. This right here is our K blade. This is what I use for really tight radiuses. It's got a great set to it. It's really narrow here, but on the back here, it's got these little file teeth that actually help keep that radius tight. This right here is your Japanese style set blade. Okay, if it is a demanding cut that you need the sidewall actually perfectly clean, that's the blade to go to. It's a little bit thicker as well. And this is your general purpose plywood blade. Okay, and I want to mention one thing. When we say this is the Emerald Edition, it's because we're celebrating our 20 years here in the US and Canada. But also, it's limited edition. So find that dealer near you that has these before supplies run out.